In this video, we want to extract the date in a short format from obviously another date. So we have two variables, one called myDate as date and one called extracted short date as date. First, we're going to set myDate, the variable, equals to now, which is the current date and time. We're going to display it into a message box. Then we're going to retrieve the date with the short format. So the variable extracted short format is equal to FormatDateTime. The first parameter in the parentheses is the variable myDate, and the second parameter is vbShortDate, which is going to indicate to the function that we want the short format of the date. And then we display all of this into a message box. I launch the macro. It is the 19th of November 2020, and it's 11:23 a.m. And then when I see the second message box, I can see indeed the short format of the date, so 11/19/2020. Which is the date I want to use afterwards in my macro. So to do this, use the function FormatDateTime.